Welcome to the third video of the 10 video chain for losing weight and belly fat. Today we will talk about bottle gourd juice for weight loss and belly fat with health benefits. First, wash the bottle gourd, peel the skin and cut into small cubes. Taste a small piece of bottle gourd and make sure that it is not tasting bitter. If tastes bitter, then do not make juice from that. Add mint leaves, coriander leaves and black pepper powder. Freshly squeeze the lemon juice. Add about 1/2 cup of water. And blend it into smooth puree or paste. Now add remaining water. Blend it again to incorporate well. Now strain the juice using strainer. Start your day with this juice. You will get the most benefits out of it if you drink it in the morning before breakfast or tea. Fresh juices can give your system a break and also up your energy levels. Bottle gourd juice is fast gaining popularity in the fitness world. Bottle gourd juice can be part of a balanced diet. It is popular among those who want to lose weight. Bottle gourds are nutritious vegetables. They are rich in various vitamins and minerals that boost health and vitality. It is one of the best vegetables to use from extracting juice, thanks to its high water content. Bottle gourd has been widely popular for weight loss in Ayurveda too. Packed with dietary fibers, the bottle gourd helps to keep you full for longer. By inducing the feeling of fullness, it also curbs the appetite. For best results, you should have the juice in the morning on an empty stomach. Also, one should consume the juice immediately as it oxidizes quite fast. You should not strain the juice with a sieve as you will then lose out on the fiber, which is the key to shed extra kilos. Bottle gourd is very low in saturated fats and cholesterol and is rich in water and nutrients required for weight loss. It contains essential nutrients like vitamin C, vitamin B, vitamin K, vitamin A, vitamin E, iron, folate, magnesium, and potassium. Bottle gourd is high in water and fibro content, which makes it low in calories and density per gram. This makes it an ideal addition to your weight loss plan, as meals which are lower in energy density may help lose weight and maintain it. Bottle gourd contains not only soluble fiber, but also insoluble fiber along with high water content. This juice is beneficial for improving the digestive system and treat constipation effectively. It also helps in treating problems related to digestive systems like acidity and flatulence. Since it is diuretic in nature, it flushes out the excess water content from the body. This juice becomes even more effective when a spoon of lime juice is added to it before consumption. This juice also helps you to keep the heart healthy by regulating the blood pressure. Bottle gourd also helps you sleep better, which is a very crucial part of weight loss. A good night's sleep improves your metabolism and activates your hormones. Start drinking bottle gourd juice for losing weight and belly fat and also for healthy life. Please like the video and subscribe the channel.